pack these pieces into the tray. You spin this gear. If it doesn't spin the gear on the opposite side of the tray, it's not solved, and you have to flip some of the pieces in order to figure out how it's going to operate the gear on the other side of the tray. This is the IQ Gears puzzle. It has 120 different challenges. Today we're going to be solving 3 of them: level 36, level 98, and level 114. In level 36, take the red piece and place it over here. Then we're going to take the green piece and flip it next to the red piece. Now we have 5 pieces left to pack on the tray. We can start off with like this piece down here connecting those gears. Then we can take the purple piece over here and place the pink piece up top. On this side of the tray, we can pack the blue piece in there, but we won't be able to fit the orange piece in. And if we take the orange piece over here, we need a longer L beside that. So if we take the blue piece, we can fit it over here. Then we can take this purple piece out and fit it up top. Take out this yellow piece, and if we flip it over here beside the green, then we can put the orange piece over here next to the red, and lastly the pink piece can go in here, and if you spin the gear, it'll operate this gear over here. Moving on to level 98. In this one, they don't give us any colors, they just give us placement of the gears. If we start off with this row here, you can see it all needs to be gears. But if we take this gear, we can place it down over here, and we have a space down here. Next, we can place the pink gear in here, having a gear on either side here, but then unfortunately we don't have anything in here. On this row over here, we would need 3 pieces that don't have any gears, which is that one. And to fit these 2 last pieces onto the tray, we would have to put the purple piece here with the green piece up here. But as you can see, this piece here needs to have a gear and this one does not. So if we take this pink one out and the purple one out, we can take this red piece and flip it over here. Then we can use the pink piece right here, and that leaves a perfect space for this purple piece to go right there. But unfortunately, this gear does not operate on this side of the tray. So instead, take this orange one out, and we take this green piece and we flip it just like that. We can use this orange piece up here, and lastly, this purple gear can go right here to operate the gear on the other side of the tray. Moving on to level 114, we need the green and the yellow pieces. If we take the yellow piece and we place it over here, we can use the green piece just up here. We take this red piece, we can place it up here. Then we can take the pink and pack it in over here. Next, we can take this blue piece and fit it in over here. But if we take the purple piece over here, we still do not have a space for this orange piece to fit in the tray. If we take this pink piece out, we can use this red piece over here. Then we can take this purple piece out and use the orange on the bottom. If we move this blue piece in here, we can use this pink piece up here. But unfortunately, we will not have a space for the purple. If we flip the pink piece just like that, we can use the purple piece in top. Now twist the gear to see if it operates a gear on the opposite side of the tray. To get the IQ Gears puzzle, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.